Okay, what's up, y'all? Let me adjust this here, just do some little... Alright, so today we're gonna be installing dish. Get it off of JBugs. I'll put the link for it in the description here. And yeah, if you were like me, put the pop outs in, totally forgot. Well, if you were just cheap and lazy like I was, forgot to get this. You were like, well, I need these pop outs and I need to be cool. Well, this is the video for you. So there's gonna be 2 screws here. 1, 2, and they are Phillips. The bottom one is a pain in the ass. Alright. Oh. Then the bottom one, so you gotta be, moving shit out of the way. Okay. Try not to lose anything. Alright, cool. Boom. Got that off. I have the chrome ones on mine because, chrome will get you home. Put that to the side. Open this up. Says it's enough to do both windows, left and right. I'm just showing you how to do the right side today because it's completely the same. So the other things you need is something to be able to cut it. I got these with me, wire cutters. Let's hope these will work. If not, I'll get some. Just need something to cut this because it's rubber and then there's a strip of metal in there. So let's go ahead and start putting this on. It's ideally not that difficult. I see that. Watch me just struggle the whole freaking time. This should have your, your window sealing a little better too. There you go. One second, y'all. All right, got that on there. That one was a pain in the ass, I ain't gonna lie. Hopefully this is enough for 2. Says it will be. See, this would have been a lot easier if I would have done it before I actually put the window in. But it's a-okay. Alright. Right here is another little difficult spot. What I had to do, I just took this and kind of like that. Put it. It's literally just this easy. You can kind of hear it snapping in. breathing like a damn, just run a 2-mile run, a little 2-mile PT test. What the hell? All right, there we go. And then we cut this. I'm gonna cut it a little bit further back. There we go. Yeah, that works. Yeah. Okay. Well, that kind of squished that part. Boom. It's in there. So yeah, that's how you put the stuff in there. It looks pretty good. Now to put the little chrome piece back on, and that'll be it. Little easy video. Figured if I needed to watch a video on it, someone else might have to. And I'd be there to help somebody. Now this is another kind of hard part right here. And another reason why it sounds a little weird is because I got the other screw in the mouth there. Because I ain't got four or five hands. Oh, there we go. Sweet. Sweet. Said it's a sweet one. What is that, Dr. Pepper? Yeah, this upcoming weekend of, let me see. Oh, I don't exactly know what day, but I'll put the information for it in the description. There is a Volkswagen turkey run going to happen in St. Augustine. I'll be going down there to visit my grandparents in that area. So why not, you know, well, and I'm going to be putting this MPHEI kit on, at least try to. And why not, you know, go to a big Volkswagen show that I've never been to in my favorite city in Florida, you know. So yeah, that's what that looks like. I think it looks pretty good. It looks a lot better than what it did before, you know. So, hell yeah. See how it closes. Yeah. I think this thing closes a lot better now. So yeah, cool. Make sure y'all like, subscribe, follow the Instagram too, and share the video. Peace.